Welcome to our channel. If you want to remove location access from apps, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your privacy and control which applications can track your whereabouts. Step 1. On iPhone, open Settings and scroll down to Privacy and Security. On Android, open Settings and tap Location or Privacy. Step 2. Tap Location Services on iPhone or App Location Permissions on Android to see which apps have location access. Step 3. Review the list of apps and identify which ones you want to restrict from accessing your location data. Step 4. Tap on any app to see its current permission level, such as Always, while using the app, or Never. Step 5. Change the permission to Never if you want to completely block location access, or select while using the app for limited access. Step 6. Repeat this process for all apps where you want to modify or remove location permissions. Step 7. Consider reviewing your location settings regularly, as new apps you install may request location access by default. Step 8. Check the system services on iPhone to ensure background location tracking features are also disabled if desired. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.